browbeat someone to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom for today is to browbeat or to be browbeaten. Now, this is an idiom that's been around since the 1580s. I had no idea it's been around since this long. And of course, I know what it means, and I've heard it before. I'm sure people would, and especially my children, would have accused me on occasion of browbeating them, but it's not true. It means to intimidate somebody into doing something that you want them to do. Either coerce or give them stern looks or arrogant looks, look at them in a way that's, looking down on them in order to forcefully or somehow get them to do something you want them to do that they might not want to do. Say you want somebody to work long hours and they don't want to do it. You'd bully them into actually doing what you want. Now, I'm going to contend that this is not a way to grow and supersize your business. If we want to influence people and if we want people to work with us, we need to treat them the way we want to be treated. We need to encourage them, teach them, coach them, give them systems and processes and ideas of how to do things, but also give them the freedom to learn and explore how to get the results we want to see for our organization in the way that works best for them, building on their strengths. So there's all kinds of positive ways of looking at this. I actually picked this idiom because it's kind of the opposite of what we're looking at for today's annual challenge. We're looking for accountability, support, and resources required as we're setting goals in the area of mental well-being. And to browbeat people is not going to really get them to want to work with you and help you achieve your goals. They're more likely to quit or find another company to work with than they are to stick with you. So love to know if you've used this expression, if you've ever been accused of browbeating anyone. I guarantee my kids have accused me of browbeating them on occasion. But for the most part, not the people that I work with, especially when it comes to building our businesses. Have an awesome day. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you, or should you maybe not use it in supersizing and growing your business? Have a great day. Bye.